Alright, so this will be a quick one. I'm doing a water heater installation. Just wanted to show you guys this. Somebody put the TMP, wasn't big enough, so they cut out the water heater. Alright, so they could get it in there. That's crazy. And then look at this configuration. So we got 1/2 inch copper to a shark bite 1/2 inch, and then maybe a brass 45 to a nipple to an adapter. And these supply lines actually look good. None of this is leaking, but well, kind of leaking right here, but man, I don't like how that looks, but I'm probably gonna keep it. Got lucky with the ducting, just tucks right up into the ceiling. And I brought some straps with me. I don't know if I can find any framing in here to try and strap this, but probably the hardest thing about this one's going to be trying to fit it in through that gap between that, looks like maybe a compressor or something, motor, and the washing machine. And that really big dog right there. Hey, buddy. Anyway, so this one's probably going to be pretty quick. Just wanted to show you what I'm up to today on a Saturday. This sucker is leaking, Bradford white. I'm going to put a ream in. It was a warranty return, so I'm not sure what the year of the ream is, but it looks like it's only a couple years old. Tank checked out with a hydrostatic pressure test. The seals in here are pretty good, so I'm not anticipating the finally flex lines that I like, right? So, but this thing's just, oh, well, that's the shark bite swiveling. So I think it's leaking a little bit, maybe. No, just a little. Just a little bit. Anyway, so I'll try and get some footage of this. Not really much to show. I'm gonna go prep the water heater because I'm just waiting for this thing to drain. Had a lot of sediment blocking it, so I had to undo the hose and poke a screwdriver in to try and get it to drain. Hopefully it's still draining, hasn't clogged itself back up again. Well, yeah, I should have 2 installs today. Hopefully one later on, if not tomorrow. But yeah, I've been doing installations all week. Some pretty simple ones, so I really haven't been videotaping them or filming them at all. But just wanted to show you what's going on here. Show you guys these. Boy, that doesn't even. Oh, there we go. Now it's swiveling. So yeah, kind of crazy. Oh, okay. Let's see if we can get some water out of that. A little bit of water going on there. All right. See you in a minute. You. I promise you. You're nasty. I'm sure that's rat shit. Let's hope it isn't. I'm fairly certain it is. That's nasty. Alright, so probably a 2x4 coming down in here that I can catch with a strap. It's just where's it at over here, right? I mean, we know there's a couple in the corner, probably a couple here, probably like one in the middle. So, I wish I could peek in through there. Maybe at the bottom down here. We can spy down here what's going on. Oh, yeah, here it is. Look at that, I found it. Yeah, it's right here. Alright. Getting in straps today. You're just a part of me, I can't let go.
Why is contract over there?
Oh.
What sound this makes when I push this up? Oh, I think it went out of batteries.
No, makes a little sound. So the water pressure is a little bit weak. The water pressure is a little bit weak here, so I'm still waiting for it to fill up. I've got a camera, a video camera. See right there. See?
Can I see?
No, I'm filming. We're good. No fire. No fire will explode.
At least I can get one from here.
Mm-hmm, that's true. Another bad one. Number 3. Yeah, we'll be draining all day here.
Are you gonna get more water? water into there?
What's my goal? I gotta stop this leak. It's leaking.
Does the leak mean it's about to explode?
Nope.
Fire?
No, no fire. No explosions. No fire.
Does that make fire?
It does down in here, yeah, at the bottom.
Or not explode fire?
No, it's all contained. It's just a little fire. 3 TNPs. They're all leaking.
You want to see how this rained?
Hmm?
You want to see how this rained?
No, I'm kind of busy, buddy. So it's starting to get a little suspicious. 3 of them. That's a little unusual. I could see 1, maybe 2, but 3. The water pressure's pretty weak, but it might be really hot. What am I doing here? Okay, so I put 4 TMPs on here. 4 of them. Every single one of them blew and leaked. So I've got this thing capped off in the meantime. This is crazy. I think the water pressure's too high. I thought it was too low. But the water heater's in, and I can't stop all these TMPs from leaking. Alright, thanks buddy. So we're gonna have to go out and get a new one, I guess, and replace it. I don't know what else to do. Alright, thank you sir. I appreciate that.